Kaylin. I'm gonna teach you how to look long and lean in photos. I'm really petite, so I have found a way to look taller in pictures. So I'm gonna teach you how to look better in full-length photos. Camera angles play a huge role. So I'm gonna teach you the pose, and along with the camera angle you need to look longer and leaner. Those tall friends that you have that kind of point the camera down at you to take a photo, no, don't let them take pictures of you. And if they do take pictures of you, tell them, no, take it from lower, point it up, so you look longer. So yeah, always start, tell them to crouch down a little bit. I take photos for my friends and they're like, oh my God, I look so good, I love this, I'm gonna post it on Instagram. Yes, because I know how to take photos, I know how I like to look in photos, so I like to make people look the same way and make them happy. Don't take the photo from up here pointed down, you just look like a little ant. And no, that's not attractive for anybody. I'll give you some examples of some of the photos I have and a tutorial of how to pose. I'm teaching you my little trick so you can always look good in full-length photos. We all have to take full body photos at some point, so we want to look good and we want to feel good about it. So I'm going to teach you a pose that will make you feel good about yourself, will always look good, and will showcase the best part of you. So I hope you enjoy it. Basically, you just need to put one leg in front of the other and hands on the waist. Maybe you could put one hand on the waist or both hands on the waist, but definitely one leg in front of the other. If you're not wearing heels, you could tippy toe it. Yeah, it's a great pose that makes you look long and lean, and obviously you see the angle is pointed up and it's at a lower location. And here are some examples of some of the pictures I've taken with my pose and with the angle. You could see that there are a variety of outfits and looks, and it works for everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if this works for you or if you have any other tips to share. So don't forget to subscribe, many more videos to come, and yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Bye guys, have a great day.